Hello and welcome to MyArtCube. Today we will be doing a brief review and I will be swatching for you the Mega Colored pencils by Cretacolor. This is the 36 set. I got this off of Amazon and it's made in Austria. And these are extra large colored pencils with a 6.4 millimeter lead. So, yeah, and that is the brand. Okay, so you can see there's also a little image in the lower right corner. I'm just going to go ahead and slide this off. And it's in a tin. Okay. So this is, as I said, the 36 color set. It comes in a nice silver tin with the logo engraved in there. And it's a hinged tin. So let me zoom out just a little bit for you. See if I can zoom out just a little bit more. Okay, that's better. So it's a hinged tin. And so it's hinged on one side. They come with a little brochure. And so there's that. And then they also have some little, I don't know what this is. Anywho, let's go ahead and unpackage these. If I can get them out of the container. Okay, so they come in a container and, oh, there's more stuff on bottom. So there's more stuff in there. And they are, you can see it's a plastic liner that they sit in. I'm going to take these things out of here. So these are quality checked. And there's the quality inspection print. There's another brochure that's much bigger for Cretacolor. Okay, so there's those. And this package, how do I open this? Let's see. I guess we're just gonna have to use some scissors on this. I thought it might have a peel back. Okay. That's interesting. I'm struggling, guys. The struggle is real. The struggle is real. Just trying to get these pencils open for you. Okie dokie. They have a beautiful wooden barrels to them. They're just absolutely gorgeous. However, there's a lot of fallout on these pencils. Get that wrapper out of the way. Ooh, that was loud. My apologies. I think I did that right in the mic. This is not supposed to be such a rough unboxing. Okay, so here they are, all 36 colors. They're gorgeous. Like I said, they have that wooden barrel to them with the enamel and with the color on it. And there is fallout though on these pencils, I'm noticing. And I think that has to do with how they were shipped. So shame on Amazon, making my colors messy. But let me see if I can show you the dust. See that the specks of dust all over the barrel here? That's fallout from the pencils being kind of jostled around in their container. So I'm going to clean these up a little bit. as I used them. But you can see the barrel to these is super thick, I think it was 6.4 millimeter. Let's see, find the camera. So I don't know how well you can see this, but yeah. Here is a used regular pencil. So this is a Prismacolor pencil in orange, or sunburst yellow rather. And this is the MegaColor pencil by Cretacolor. So you can see the size difference of these two, just to give you an idea. These are very large pencils with a very thick barrel of pigment, so a generous amount of pigment in the actual pencil itself. You can see these side by side. Okay. Trying to keep it in focus is kind of a trick. So this pencil is absolutely giant compared to the typical Prismacolor pencil. And yeah. So that gives you an idea of why they're called MegaColor pencils. Oh, and it even has Austria written on there. I don't think you can see it real clearly, but it's right there. Okay, and that's a beautiful color right there. That's called this. It's also given a number identification, but cyclamen is the color of this particular pencil. And I'm just going to go ahead and swatch these guys out. You can see there's a really nice color range in the 36 set. I think 36 is the largest color range set they offer. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I think that's a wrap. Basically, these are great pencils because of the size of the actual barrel and everything, and the amount of material they're giving you in the pencil is a very generous amount of pencil lead, colored pencil lead. And so these Cretacolor MegaColor pencils are just fun to use. I've only swatched with them so far. I will be using them in future videos to create full-on colored pencil drawings, but right now I'm just doing a little introduction for them. And so yeah, let's see, let's put this back. Well, actually, you know what, yeah, let's put this one back and take one out that needs to be sharpened, so I can introduce this little sharpener I got. I got this little sharpener for them by the same manufacturer, Brevillier's Cretacolor MegaColor sharpener. I don't know if it's coming into focus very well here. There you go. And it sharpens really well. It has a regular pencil size and a pencil size just for these guys for sharpening. And as you can see, it does a great job. Let's do a little demo of sharpening a pencil here. And yeah, it's sharpening it right up, and it's doing an even job for the most part. Got a little flake off there, but yeah, it works good. Like as expected for a sharpener. I can't get the camera to focus, I apologize. In any case, I really enjoy these. The barrel size is, like I said, a generous amount of material. The actual handle or grip on the pencil, being that it's so broad and wide, makes it much easier to grip than a normal colored pencil because it is just that chunky pencil style. And the color selection is good, you know. I mean, I'm happy. I'm not like super surprised by the color selection. It's a pretty standard palette of colors. You've got your yellows, oranges, reds, some extra fun pinks. They've got some variation on the pinks here, like the Old Rose Light, and the magenta is kind of a light pink actually. And then they've got this cyclamen color that's kind of more of what you would expect for a magenta. But yeah, they have a beautiful Delft blue over here. I love this color. I love the Prussian blue. I love the permanent red light. There's a nice olive green. They have a turquoise dark that's pretty. They've got a lot of really good color selection here. But most of them are fairly standard colors, like your yellows, your standard neutrals, and you know, you've got your warm colors, you've got your cool colors, you've got a good selection of greens and blues, violets as well. So I think it's overall a good color palette. It's only 36 pencils, so you're not going to get the full gamut of the spectrum of the rainbow here, but for 36 pencil set, I think they did a good job selecting what colors went into this set. So I'm happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this little introduction to these pencils, and I look forward to using them in future videos for doing demonstrations for you. And so yeah, if you enjoyed this video or found any value, please do like and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to. And I will see you in the next one, guys. Have a good one. Bye.